Today we are going to simplify these fractions. Before simplify fractions, we have to check the denominator. Look at the first sum, denominator is same. Second one also same denominator, then that is very easy. First step is draw a line, write the denominator, then numerator as a plus 3, fraction is addition plus a plus 1. Then a plus a, 2a plus 3 plus 1, 4. 5. This is the answer. When we move to the second one, same denominator, a minus 5, top 5, take away 2. That means 3 a minus 5. Here this one, third sum, 2x plus 3. That is the denominator. 5 add 2 minus 1. 5 add 2, 7. Take away 1, 6. 2x plus 3. This is the answer.